So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone Wi-Fi and Bluetooth grayed out after new iOS update. Lot of iPhone user reported that, so in this video I'm going to show you how to fix that issue. Okay, there are some solution to fix that issue, so let's start video without wasting any time and firstly move to the first solution. The first solution is turn on aeroplane mode and then turn it off after 5 to 10 seconds. To do that, open iPhone setting, tap on airplane mode, turn it on and then turn it off after 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, if that method not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution is turn off your device and then turn it on after 5 to 10 seconds. Open iPhone settings again, tap on general, scroll down, tap on shutdown and restart your mobile after 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, if that method not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is force to restart your iPhone. It's dependent on you that which model you are using. Just go and force to restart your iPhone to fix that issue. If that method is also not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution, open iPhone setting. In setting, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network setting and done the all network setting. Okay, if that method is also not working for you, then move to the last one. The last one is update your iPhone to the latest iOS update if you have pending iOS update in your iPhone. To check that, open iPhone setting, tap on general, tap on software update. If you have any pending iOS update in your iPhone, just update your iPhone to the latest iOS. If you don't have any pending iOS update in your iPhone, just downgrade your iPhone to the previous update. Make sure you don't have any hardware issue in your iPhone, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi issue. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.